Hi Ganga bhai. So how are you? How are you doing today?
A lot of traveling from this October. So I travel many WordCamps. Most of them are in India, and there are so many other WordCamps coming in as well. But I am not able to make all of them. अब
Seems like you are in love with India as of now because I'm seeing like you are attending a lot of word camps in India from last few months.
yeah, because Indian people are so welcoming, So that is the reason. That is the reason, and it's easy to travel here as well. So
Yeah, I think Kathmandu, Delhi are
yeah,
direct flights and they are very convenient and easy.
community easy as well, and I have so many friends, particularly in India. So everyone pushed me to be there. That might be the reason.
So like what exactly you do for in community and like what exactly you are how you are contributing in the community as of now?
So I started contributing to WordPress since 2012, and I am today at the moment I am Themes team representative.
Nice.
So doing all out work about Themes team, and I'm also doing in a community like as a program supporter. It means that we have to deal with WordCamp application, mentor WordCamps, so those stuffs.
Yeah, you also mentor WordCamp Delhi, I remember, and
Yeah.
that was like amazing. Yeah, your mentorship was really great. So it's been around 12 years you are contributing.
Yeah, more than 12 years. Yeah.
Yeah, more than 12. And it's big actually. So like in your past experience, you must see a very newcomers to the community, right? So what you would like to say to those newcomers who wants to start the contribution and they don't know like how to contribute, so क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप उनको उस चीज के बारे में?
द थिंग इज दैट द न्यू कमर जो अभी नया आ रहे हैं ना, उसके बाद वो क्या है, वो जल्दी सक्सेस होने का वो एक
Yes.
बैड हैबिट है.
Right,
मैं वो
right.
बोलता हूँ वो they don't want to prepare themselves, but they just need success. So that is the problem with the new generation at the moment.
right,
So
right.
I talked with so many people in the WordCamp, and they said that I started doing WordPress since 1 year, 2 year, and how I can like work in a bigger company, or how I can be like you. So ऐसा ऐसा क्वेश्चन बहुत आता है, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से तो नया लोग है जो उसको थोड़ा पैसेंस रखना चाहिए. वो पैसेंस इस हिसाब की वो सीखने के लिए दे नीड टू लर्न
Right.
फर्स्ट. व्हेन दे लर्न probably they will get more opportunities.
Correct.
If someone can drive like any type of vehicles, he can easily get the job.
Correct,
But if that person only can drive a car, the chances of getting job is less, right?
Right.
So newcomers, please try to learn the new things. React है अभी, so WordPress ही है. इस हिसाब से आप नया चीज सीखो, मीटअप रेगुलर अटेंड करो, वर्ड कैंप रेगुलर अटेंड करो. इस हिसाब से आपको नेटवर्क बढ़ेगा, इस हिसाब से आप कम्युनिटी इन्वॉल्व होगा, अचीवमेंट मिलेगा.
I have last question. Like we see there are a lot of teams in make.wordpress.org. So if someone has to start, so which could be the perfect team for him or her? So what's your opinion on it? So maybe you just say some top three teams maybe which are very easy to contribute and easy to start for newcomers.
So I think one important thing is that you should have, like, you need to define yourself that what is the area of your interest. One thing. So if you are not interested doing that particular area, and if I suggest them, I think that doesn't work.
Right.
But if you just ask me that question, that if someone wants to start, then probably photos is the easiest way.
Correct,
So if you have the phone, you can take the photos and submit in WordPress photo directory. If you have like some skill about design, so we also have the patterns as well. If you have like good at English, probably you can help on documentation. So and if you know what WordPress is, you probably create some tutorials for training team as well. So these are the smaller areas from where you can be part of WordPress contribution, and there is more way to go.
Right.
Thank you.
So I will also add one team here. I think translation is also polyglot,
Yeah.
and I think WordPress is available in 90 plus languages if I am not wrong.
Exactly.
So if you are a local, let's say I know Hindi very well and English very well, so I can help convert from WordPress from English to Hindi.
Exactly.
So thank you, Ganga bhai. It was very lovely talking you. So we hope to see you in next WordCamp soon in India.
Yes.
And
So.
मेरा भारत महान.
Thank you.